Are your goals actually going to take you where you want to go? Hello. So I'm going to talk about tips for taking. Hello, Dale Majors here, and welcome to another video. If you feel that you're more capable than your current results show, then you're going to want to subscribe and click the bell, because I guarantee, I guess I can't really make guarantees, but these videos every day, 5 days a week, are going to help you become the person you want to be, and you're going to take more action. You're going to be the type of person who ventures anyway. All right, today we're going to talk about 5 tips that are going to help you make even smarter goals, okay? SMART goals are they're a popular way to structure goals in goal setting, okay? And SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, okay? So let's talk about each of these individually. So first, as far as specific goals, it needs to be something that you can say yes or no to. It's not specific enough if you don't know if you actually have arrived there or not. If you just want to get fit, or if you want to make more money, that's not good enough. You need to be specific. And if you can't answer yes or no to whether or not you've arrived there, then it's not specific enough, okay? So let's talk about 2. Second is measurable. So we benefit from numbers. We measure everything. We measure time, we measure our weight, we measure our bank accounts, we measure things. So if I was going to lose weight, I would measure that by saying, I don't want to lose 20 pounds, but someone could. I could lose 2 pounds, or I could gain 5, right? So is the goal measurable? So step 3, it needs to be attainable. If you create your goal too big, and there's a lot of this, reach for the stars or shoot for the stars and you'll hit the moon type stuff, there's a real tricky balance. And I think we'll talk more about this in another video. But the goal needs to be attainable. And one trick that you can use to help you with that is to find other examples of people that have attained a similar thing. They say that success leaves clues. So look at what successful people have done and then mirror and mimic those activities and do what they've done, okay? So is it attainable? Find out from others if others have in fact attained it. And that is your tip. All right, number 4, we've got relevant. And the one thing that I really like about this relevant, and some people have replaced this with realistic, I like relevant better, because if a goal isn't really relevant to us, if we don't really care about it, if we don't really care, we're less likely to put the work in to actually do it, okay? So one thing I really like is the give a darn factor. I made another video about that about a week and a half ago. The give a darn factor. Do you really give a darn about that goal? Would it hurt for you to not achieve it? It needs to be relevant. And if it's not, you need to tell another story or come up with another goal so you can really get jazzed about it, right? Time bound. Is the goal time bound? Why is it that homework due dates work so well? It's, or why do we put in a big effort the night before something's done? It's because there was a deadline on it. So if we just have these vague, open-ended goals that aren't time-bound, then we're never going to put in that great, effort till 2 a.m. to get something done. So if your goal doesn't have a time limit on it, then you're less likely to make a great effort. So I hope those help. Thank you. And remember, if you don't give a darn about it, then you're going to be way less likely to achieve it. Great. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and through all of these videos, we help people become much more action-oriented so they can achieve the life they want. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.